Yo, what's up? Today I'll be showing my recently acquired Travis Scott items for this week. Starting out first, we got the Wish You Were Here shirt from the first leg of the tour. And as you can see, there is all of the tour dates from leg 1. You got the popcorn right there. On the back, you got Astroworld tour. And another popcorn. I like the shirt a lot. It's very vibrant. Next up, we got the Run as One Houston Rockets 2017 Game 6 Western Conference semifinal game. Run as One. And then down here, you got curated by Travis Scott 2017 Western Conference Semis Game 6. And then on the sleeve, Cactus Jack, Travis Scott's label. Nothing on the back of that one. Another tour concert tee from the first leg of the tour. This is the No Bystanders bleached short sleeve tee. No two of these t-shirts are the same. They all have a different bleaching pattern. Then on the back you got all the tour dates from the first leg of the tour as well. Up next we got the Astroworld hoodie that released when the album was debuted. You got Astroworld stitched in there. And then on the back it says Wish You Were Here. Takes up almost the whole back of the sweatshirt itself. And last up for this week, the Air Force One Low Travis Scott's. This is the sale colorway, not the white one. There's the receipt. Right here we got the extra swooshes that came with the shoes themselves, since they are replaceable and Velcro. And then time for the shoes themselves. These shoes are brand new, as you can probably tell. They have never been worn. You got the Cactus Jack logo on the tongue, and then a grill on the laces. On the inside you got Scott, which is backwards and upside down. Let's see if that'll focus. Yeah. Then you got Nike Air. And on the back you got Nike Air as well, which is upside down. And then the other shoe is a little bit different. You got the face on this pair, along with the grills. And then this shoe on the interior has Travis upside down and backwards. And then again, the Nike Air upside down on the heel. Thank you for watching this week's Travis Scott pickups. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see the future videos that I upload. And hit that bell for the notification for when I upload, because I will be for sure uploading more videos like this. Like I said, thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time.